Greetings from Matacon Studio. This is Lauren Matacon. This meditation is an embodiment of not only staying in our core, but contemplating all the influences we've had in our life and how that might feed into a deeper resonance to our creative process. So, feet on the ground, or if you're laying down, gently become aware of your breath in and out. And if you feel safe, close your eyes and take a deep breath in, all the way to the core of your belly. And then let something go. Let's do that 2 more times together. A deep breath in. And let something go. And a 3rd time. Biggest breath all day, and let something go. Imagine at the base of your spine a grounding cord, moving through the floor, all the way to the core of Mother Earth. Just take note in your imagination of what this grounding cord is made out of. Is it thick? Is it thin? Where is it anchored at your root chakra at the base of your spine? And now bring your awareness to your heart. And as if you have a gem, a diamond in the middle of your heart, I want you to take a moment to just feel the radiance, a gemstone of your own making. What can bring a feeling of comfort for you, protection. And as if this gemstone is emulating warm light, feeling it expanding from your heart and moving this warm light into your shoulders and down into your belly. And just feel it moving into your hips, your knees, your kneecaps, your ankles, and then up into your shoulders, your throat, your head, warm, radiating light of a gemstone of your own making. And now feel this light moving beyond your body, pushing the parameters of your auric field. This light, a gift to others, your community. All the way into the world itself and the cosmos. It's an interesting practice to feel yourself pushing an auric field and your connection to the outer world. And now take a moment to gather that all back, bringing it into the field, maybe above your head, on either side and below and behind. As if you're creating an auric egg. Does it have a color? This is a protective auric field. This color that you conjure up is something you can return to again and again to bring a sense of centeredness. As you gather it, bring it back into your heart. Feel it rotate down to the size of that gemstone you started with. Now bring your energy to the top of your head and imagine that 7th chakra. The color is a violet, opening up and allowing for this connection that we felt expanding out into the universe, moving up into the cosmos, into a reading state. And as you just gently breathe in and out, and in and out, I want you to take a moment to reflect on some of your influences in your life. What are the places or things or people from your past that have had a strong resonance that brings you inspiration, that brings you a sense that lights up your life of wanting to create something bigger, something expansive, something that's all yours in your inner authority? Just feel into this as you review for a moment like a movie screen that's in front of you, and see if anything comes up. If nothing does, that's okay too. Just breathe in and out and feel the radiance of the gem in your heart and your connection to the outer world. Sometimes influences can have a lasting effect on our personalities, our beingness, and the creative acts we do in this life. It can refer to the activities we do, the people we look up to. It can be seen in the patterns, styles, and techniques you use in your creative life. Have that be making a piece of art, working in the garden, or preparing an exquisite meal. So as you just feel into this, pay attention to what gives you the warmth, the nurturing yumminess that this life has. Were there any teachers, famous people, or just regular instances through the course of your life that you remember on a deep soul level? Those are your influences. They're the potential expanders that remind us of our own potential ability that we can strive for, and not even strive, but embody. This is an act of borrowing from others out there and making it our own in some unique way. So take another deep breath. Thank whatever came to you during this transmission. And then when you're ready, just ever so gently with yourself, wiggle your fingers and your toes. Gently open your eyes and take in a few things in the room to ground yourself. And as always, with gratitude, I thank you. And you can refer to the prompt to work more on a creative level with our influences. Till next time, this is Lauren Montcalm.